Hello, lovely one. Let's do it again. This is the fifth class, okay? This is what we have. Today's class is somewhat challenging because we have fractions to work with, but it's just so easy, okay? Now, what do? This is the first one. So what you do, you see that this part is in a fractional form. This part is in a fractional form. And there are only two parts, this and this, and in between them there is equal sign. So to answer that question, what do you do? So we begin with solution. So you are going to have p plus 3 divided by 2, that's for the first one, is equal to 4p plus 5 divided by 7. So what you now do is, since both are in fractional form, just quickly do your cross multiplication. And remember, you can cross multiply because there is an equal sign. We are dealing on equations, so you are free to cross multiply. So what it means is 7 is going to multiply the numerator, okay? So it's going to give us 7 we multiply p plus 3 is equal to 2 is going to multiply this. So we have 2 we multiply 4p plus 5. So what do you do next? Distribute. Distribute 7 into this. You also do same here, okay? So let's do it. We are going to have 7 multiplies p is 7p. 7 multiplies 3 will give us 21 is equal to 2 multiplies 4p is 8p. 2 multiplies 5 gives you 10. Now what do? Remember, collect like terms, okay? 7p and 8p are like, 21 and 10 are like. Remember, I told you the sign this carries is positive. This one is also carrying positive. So what you do is, we are going to take this 8p to the left side, and because it's positive, subtract. So we're going to have 7p minus 8p is equal to, you now have 10, okay? Now this 21, you will also want to remove it to bring it to this part. Remember, we said we are collecting like terms. So to remove 21, because it's positive, you are going to subtract 21. Did you see that? So move 8p to the left side, you subtracted. And to take this to the right side, you also subtracted because it is positive. So if you do that, you have 7p take away 8p gives you negative p or negative 1p, okay? It's still the same. And 10 take away 21 gives you negative 11. So what do? Remember, we said this is negative 1p. To remove the negative 1 before this p, divide by negative 1 because it's a coefficient. So you divide by negative 1. This will cancel. So you are going to have p will give us negative divides negative is positive. 11 divided by 1 is 11. So the value of p for this equation is 11. So for question 2, this is what we have. You see that this is 4m divided by 2. So we can easily divide this. So that when you divide, it's going to give you 2m minus 1 is equal to 13m divided by 5, then plus 3. So please note that this is not the same with this. You see that this one is the one carrying this denominator as 5. So what we do here is, you can choose to use this denominator to multiply each of the terms just to remove it, okay, so that you don't work with fractions again. So if you do that, we are going to multiply each by 5. So you have 2m, multiply it by 5, negative 1, multiply it by 5, is equal to 13m divided by 5 multiplied by 5, then plus 3 multiplied by 5. So if you do that, you have this multiplies, will give us 10m. This multiplies, will give us negative 5. You see that this is 5 divided by 1. Okay, so 5 can cancel 5. You have 3m, 13m divided by 1 still gives you 13m. Then when you multiply these two, it gives you 15. You see, there's no fraction again. So collect your like terms. What do? This is going to give us, so we're going to take this 5, negative 5 to the right side. We have 10m. So take this to the left side, okay? You have minus 13m is equal to 15. This one will become positive 5. Did you see it? So we're going to have, subtract this, you have negative 3m, add this up, it gives you 20. So we conclude here. So in that case, we are going to have negative 3m divided by negative 3 is 20 divided by negative 3. This we cancel. So we have m will give us, this will give us negative 6 and 2/3. So this gives us the value of m for solving this equation. And this is the last to deal on this. The next will be on word problem involving linear equations. So I challenge you, if there are questions you have solved so far on this type of equations that was challenging, don't forget to drop it in the comments. I will discuss that with you. If this helps you, share. See you in class 6. Bye bye.